This is Divyasri from Tribal Department. This is my CA2 assignment of second BTech first semester. My topic is Simpsons 3 by 8 rule. My subject name is CVNM, Complex Variable and Numerical Methods. Now let us go to the topic. Simpsons 3 by 8 rule. If x0, x1, x2, xn with the values of x corresponding to the values of y0, y1 and y2 and yn with the values of f of x with the step of length function h of the Simpsons 3 by 8 rule can be defined by an integral f of x equals to integral a to b f of x equals to integral x0 to xn f of x equals to the sum of first and last terms the sum of first and last terms plus 2 into sum of multiple of 3 plus 3 into sum of remaining values. This is known as Simpsons 3 by 8 rule. The corresponding values of x0, x1, xn with the values of corresponding x values and the y0 and y0, y1 and so on yn or the values of f of x through a step length function h of the Simpsons 3 by 8 rule. The integral formula of 3 by 8 rule of Simpsons rule is the integral a to b f of x equals to integral x0 xn of f of x equals to sum of first and last terms and sum of multiples of 3 and sum of remaining values is known as Simpsons rule. That equals to 3 by 3h by 8 into the sum of first and last terms are y0 and yn and the sum of multiples of 3 are y3, y6 and y9 plus 3 into sum of remaining values are y1, y2 and y4 and so on. Then note, Simpson's 3 by 8 rule can be applied the number of subintervals of multiples of 3. The Simpson's rule is applied the number of subintervals of multiples of 3, 1, 3, 3, 6, 9 and etc. For the values or some of that intervals only the Simpsons 3 by 8 rule is applicable. Now let us see a problem on Simpsons 3 by 8 rule. The question is, solve the integral 0 to 6 1 by x 1 by 1 plus x by using Simpsons 3 by 8 rule and compare with exact solution. They given the rule, the Simpsons 3 by 8 rule and the integral is 0 to 6 1 by 1 plus x. Compare with the exact solution. This is our problem and solution is given that integral is 0 to 6 1 by 1 plus x. This is a given integral. Suppose by using a Simpsons rule, the number of terms is even or odd. The number of terms is multiple of 3. So suppose by using Simpsons rule, the number of subterms is multiple of 3. So we can take the 6, n equals to the 6 subintervals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 7 intervals means there are 6 subintervals. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here there are 6 intervals between x and the first and last terms between the 6 subintervals. Now we have to calculate the formula of n. H formula we have to calculate. H equals to 6 minus a into n equals to 1. The subintervals are 6 and 6 minus a by n equals to 1. We have to tabulate the readings. X equals x. This is the x and this is the function of y f of x equals to 1 by 1 plus x. There's a subinterval 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This we can write the integral upper limit is 6 and the number of subintervals also 6. So the up to 6 we have to continue the tabular column like 0 and 1 square 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Y equals to 1 plus 6. We have to substitute 0, 1 and we have to substitute here 1. It will become 0.5. In the function, we have to substitute the upper values and we will get these values. Y equals to 1 by 1 plus 2 equals to 0.33 and y equals to 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 3 equals to 0.25 and 1 by 1 plus 4 equals to 0.2 and 1 by 1 plus 5 equals to 0.16 and 1 by 1 plus 6 equals to 0.14. So to substitute the values, the formula is integral 0 to 6 1 by 1 plus x dx equals to 3h by 8. H is known as 1. We got 3h by 8 into 1 plus the first term, the sum of first terms and last terms is this 1 plus 0.14 plus 4 into the multiples of 3. Sorry, the y1, y3 and y5. Sorry. These are the y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5 and y6 and y7. So y0, y2, sum of y2, y4, y6. These are the sum of y2, y6, sorry, y2, y4 and y6. And the next, the remaining values are 0.33, 0.2 and 0.4. We will get by adding all these values, we get the answer 1.926. Thank you.